My name's Drogo, I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Welcome back to another edition of Drogo's Kitchen. In today's recipe, we're going to cook scrambled eggs with white truffle. Now we're going to make the scrambled eggs very rich with double cream. We're going to cook them in butter, cook them very, very slowly. They're going to be served almost underdone. It's very, very, very important that they're cooked correctly, because if you overdo them, it's all over. And then at the end, we're going to shave the truffle on, which you will need in order to create this dish. You can't do it with a knife, it's not really possible. Okay, so we start with a little bit of butter. The pan's very cold. We don't want it to be bubbling at all. What we don't want is for the eggs to overcook at any time, which is easily done. We've got our nice free-range eggs here. Some double cream in there. I'm going to put them straight in now. The important thing here is to keep it moving, because that pan will get hotter. You don't want to really mess around too much and break it up too much, but every time it cooks we want to fold. So another little tip is to bring a hot plate out, because you don't want a hot egg going on a cold plate. So now we're just going to get this shaver as fine as we can. It's very important, we want to do fine pieces, which it is. We just start doing this loosely. Look at that. It's a really nice dish to have on Christmas morning. Something slightly different, something a bit indulgent, but hey, it is Christmas. If you've got any queries, give us a call and the team will be more than happy to help you.